Whether you're using an existing fryer or preparing to operate a new one, remember that a clean tank is the first step to a long-lasting fryer. To clean out the tank, you'll want to boil out the fryer. This removes excess grease and carbon deposits from the fry pot to improve performance, and it's strongly recommended before using a new fryer for the first time. To begin the boil out, ensure that the fryer is powered off and let the oil cool. Once it's safe to handle, drain the oil into a shortening disposal unit or other designated container. With the oil removed, rinse out the pot with warm water and then start scraping out the remaining residue. You'll want to use a scraper or cleaning rod for this step. Next, add water, filling the fry pot to its water line. While wearing gloves, add the Fryclone detergent. When the fry pot is filled with water and detergent, boil for 10 to 20 minutes or more or less depending on the size of your fryer and the soil conditions. Boiling the water and detergent helps remove particularly stubborn grease. After it boils, turn off the fryer and give the soapy water time to cool down. When it does, drain it into a designated container. Wipe down the interior of the fry pot with a soft brush and warm soapy water, loosening any remaining residue. Finally, rinse the fryer. Then conduct a final rinse and you're done. Before your next batch, be sure to add Fryclone oil stabilizer to your cooking oil. This stabilizer will reduce the amount of oil absorbed into your food, extending the life of the oil while delivering a better tasting product.